Do the Shia believe in a different Quran? The answer is clear, absolutely not. All major Shia scholars from Sheikh al-Saduq and Sheikh al-Mufid to Allama Tabatabai and Imam Khomeini have unanimously affirmed that the Quran in our hands today is the very same Quran revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Allah himself promised, "Indeed, we revealed the reminder, and we are its guardian." Yes, some weak traditions exist in both Sunni and Shia books, but they are either fabricated, misinterpreted, or simply explanatory notes, never changes to the Quran itself. So remember, the Shia believe wholeheartedly that the Quran is complete, unchanged, and preserved. The same book revealed over 1400 years ago.
To learn more, check out our Quran Simplified video series on K's School YouTube channel that provides interesting summary of each juz of the Holy Quran.